Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Go to Object. Rasterize. Copy these settings. Go to Object. Create Object Mosaic. I use a width of 70 tiles, but you can also use a different amount. Select the height. And select Use Ratio. Right-click on the text and select Ungroup. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Angle, 45 degrees. Connect the horizontal and vertical scale. Lower the scale until the diamonds have the correct size. Select the Magic Wand tool to remove the white diamonds. If some of the diamonds have a different color, you can select the entire text and use the eyedropper to fix this. You can also remove individual diamonds if the letters are not symmetrical. And that's how you create a diamond text.